Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Oracle of the Birds. This is a 46 card deck and guidebook by Jeanne Ruland, illustrated by Petra Kuhne. Hopefully I'm pronouncing all of those names correctly. I do apologize if I am not. This is published by Findhorn Press, retailing for $25 in the US and $31.50 in Canada. Thank you so much to Findhorn Press for sending this deck our way. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, potent allies, power animals, and spirit guides, birds connect the physical realm with the one of spirit, leading us into the world of the immortal soul. Quick in their movements, with their ability to take flight instantly, they carry the spiritual quality of freedom. Gliding on the wings of a bird, we literally take on a superior view, gaining a wider perspective on our life. Illuminating their spiritual messages and powers, these 46 beautifully illustrated cards each share the medicine of a winged friend and a brief message about the significance of its presence. The guidebook details the deeper meaning of each bird and its magical feathers, along with an affirmation focused on its unique gifts and talents. Whether eagle, swan, or phoenix, your feathered guides help you find healing, growth, and insight on your spiritual path. All right, let's get into it. So it's a nice big box. I wish there were a little thumb indents there, but that's just a personal preference. All right, there's the cards. Your light is as free as a bird, forever free. Cute. Okay, so before we get into the cards, I'm going to take a look here at the guidebook just to see if there's any particular instructions that we need to know about before utilizing. So we do have a table of contents and each card has their own page number. Fantastic. All right. Okay, so it's simple and straightforward working with the cards as you would any other Oracle deck. And then it goes into all of the card meanings, which we'll dive deeper into after the flip through. So here we go. Okay, so it does look like all of the backs are the same. Just going to bring you in a little bit closer here. And on the back, it says, lift your gaze to the sky, be unique, free, and yet connected. All right. And it is a gloss. Let's talk about cardstock. Oh, it's on the thinner side, but very flexible. I'm sure it will shuffle just fine. And we do have that coating that will help protect it and keep it stable. All right. Okay, so far I really like the quantity of information that's on the card. Very cool. I won't read out everything just because it's a lot, but I will once we shuffle. Very pretty. I love the art style. Very beginner friendly. They aren't numbered though. Just noticed. No borders. So far, I really like this. Oh, wow, an egg. Oh, that's cool. This kind of reminds me of the, oh gosh, I think it's called the Feathers deck. I'll insert a link to it in the eye if I remember. But I did an unboxing video of it. It's just the feather of the birds. So that might be a really good companion deck for this. Or winged feathers. I can't quite recall the title. They're big cards too. I like the fact that we can see a lot of the art. Love a hummingbird. That's one we don't see in a lot of animal decks. Oh, same with this one, a jay. I like the addition of the nest and the egg. I think that's fantastic. Oh, nightingale. I have a soft spot in my heart for ostriches. Way back in elementary school, we visited an ostrich farm, and it was the coolest experience. I got to have a little bit of an ostrich eggshell. So cool. Parrot. Oh, yay, we do have a peacock. Okay. Oh, penguins. Oh, we have a phoenix. Very cool. Ooh, wow, that's really cool. Wow, if you are a bird lover or an animal lover in general, what an awesome deck. Oh, we do get a sparrow, yay. Ooh. And the last one, a woodpecker. All right, let's see how they shuffle. Oh, very flexible, but they shuffle really nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, I do not see an issue with this. Shuffles great this way too. Can I get a card to read, please? That one wanted to come out. We're going to read for the egg. Okay, so on the card it says the keywords here are fertility and new life. A fertile phase announces itself. Keep your energy field clear so you can fully unfold your creative power. Okay, so then we're going to go to the table of contents. Here is all alphabetical order. There's a lot of information. This is great. Okay, the meaning of the card. The egg represents fertility, new ideas, and the energy field of the human being, the aura. It teaches you to heal your aura from within by expelling all demonic forces and dissolving all destructive patterns until your egg-shaped energy field around you shines, sparkles, and glows in all the colors of the rainbow. You can unfold and live your creativity. Visualize golden or white light to strengthen your aura. Use your creativity for yourself and others. Magic feathers. I am here to remind you of the unique gifts you've received when you were born. I am your companion, gently encouraging you to show your talents to the world and give birth to something new. Preserve and nurture your vision by guarding me as you would a beloved child. Everything renews itself. When the time is ripe, experience the miracle of new or rebirth and the return of your power. Remember, you are a divine force in action. More meanings. So we have origin, fertility, and new life, potential and power, affirming life. The egg is origin of the world. Easter symbol of resurrection. Affirmation. I accept my unique gifts and show them to the world in order to create a new becoming for the benefit of the whole. Well, oh my goodness. I am really liking this. So I'm a bird lover. I think, oh, we did have a feather too. I really think that this is beneficial. I think anybody who is an animal lover, a bird lover, or is drawn to this deck can utilize this in a lot of great ways. This is fantastic for a daily pull. This is fantastic for meditation. If you are somebody who likes affirmations, this is great for that too. I love the information that you get in the guidebook. The art is gorgeous. The price point is a great price point for what you're getting. I'm impressed with this. I really don't have anything negative to say about it other than the cardstock, but for me personally, I like a thinner cardstock just because my hands and all of that. So let me know what you guys think about this. I think it's really beautifully done. I am going to enjoy getting to know this a lot more intimately. I think that a lot of you who are bird watchers or enjoy being around the presence of birds would really love to work with this. So I'm very interested in knowing what you guys think about this deck. Please let me know in the comment section if this is exciting for you or if this is a pass for you, all of your thoughts. And let me know with a little bird of your choice emoji down there as well to let me know that you made it this far in the video. Thank you so much to Find Horn Press for sending this deck our way. I am very excited to get to play around with it and get to know it a lot more. So thank you all for hanging out with me. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And you can find all of my social media in the link tree in the description box below. Those are my only accounts. Please do not get scammed. There's a lot going on in the community as well as other communities where other accounts try to scam you into getting money from you or information from you. So please, 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 please be aware of that. It is rampant. Those are my only accounts. I will never DM you for a reading. I will never ask you for money. I will never do any of those things. And I will never, call you dear. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.